Hello, and welcome back to Brightlingo Learn English. I'm Eva.
And I'm Jack. We are so happy you're here with us today. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just click the button below. It helps you learn English, and it helps us too.
Yes, subscribe. Today's lesson is perfect for beginners. We are going to practice a simple, everyday English conversation. We will speak slowly and clearly.
That's right. We will practice a conversation, explain some important words and phrases, and then practice it again. This will help you remember everything.
So, get a glass of water, a notebook, and get ready to learn with us. Let's begin.
Okay. For our first conversation, let's imagine a very common situation. You see a friend or a classmate. You want to start a simple conversation.
Exactly. Jack and me will role play this for you. Listen carefully the first time. We will speak at a normal but slow speed. Hi, Jack. How are you?
Oh, hi, Eva. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. I love the sunshine.
Me too. Well, I have to go to my English class now.
Oh, that's great. Good luck. See you later.
Thanks. See you.
Let's try one more time, a little faster this time. Repeat after us again.
Excellent. You are speaking English already.
Now, let's try a slightly longer conversation. This one is at a cafe. This is very useful for when you travel or meet a friend for coffee.
We will do the same thing. First, we will act it out. Just listen.
Hi, Ava. Is this seat free?
Jack, hi. Yes, please sit down.
Thanks. So, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking an iced coffee. It's really good. What would you like? My treat.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you. I would like a hot latte, please.
Okay, no problem.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to the cinema with my family. How about you?
That sounds fun. I'm going to relax at home and read a book.
Oh, that sounds nice too.
Okay, that was a longer conversation with some new useful phrases. Let's look at them.
Jack started with, "Is this seat free?" This is a polite way to ask if you can sit on a chair. You can also say, "Is anyone sitting here?"
And you answered, yes, please sit down. This is a friendly and welcoming answer.
Then Jack asked, "What are you drinking?" This is a simple present continuous tense question. We use it for actions happening right now.
And then you said something very nice. My treat. This means I will pay for you. It's a very generous and friendly thing to say.
I then ordered for Jack. I said, "Excuse me," to get the waiter's attention. This is always polite. Then, "Can we have a hot latte, please?" "Can we have" is a perfect way to order food and drinks.
Then we talked about plans. I asked, what are you doing this weekend? We use the present continuous tense, are you doing, to talk about fixed plans in the future.
I answered, I'm going to the cinema. And I asked you back, how about you? This is a short, natural way to say, and what are your plans?
I said, that sounds fun. This is a great phrase to show you like someone's idea or plan.
And finally, when you received the coffee, you said, thank you for the coffee. And I said, you're welcome. Always a good pair. Thank you, and you're welcome. For our last practice, let's do a conversation about making a plan with a friend. This uses the future tense and some questions.
Listen first to how we decide on a time and place.
Hello?
Hi, Eva. It's Jack.
Oh, hi, Jack. What's up?
I'm calling to ask, would you like to see a movie tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Sure, I'd love to. What time?
How about 7 p.m.?
7 p.m. is perfect. Which cinema?
Let's go to the Grand Cinema. It's near my house.
Okay, great. Let's meet at the cinema at 6:50 p.m. before the movie.
That's a good idea. See you there.
Great. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Let's do a very short recap of what we practiced today.
In the first conversation, we learned friendly greetings, like, how are you? I'm good. And how to talk about the weather. We also learned polite goodbyes, like, see you later.
In the second conversation, we practiced cafe phrases like, is this seat free? My treat. Can we have? And how to talk about future plans with, what are you doing this weekend?
And in the third conversation, we learned how to make a plan. We used phrases like, would you like to? I'd love to. How about? And let's meet at.
You practiced listening and you practiced speaking. This is so important. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to try.
Yes, don't be afraid to speak. Every time you practice, your English gets better and better.
We believe in you.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today. You did a fantastic job.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to Brightlingo Learn English if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
What conversation should we practice next? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.